I just used 2 plastic panel removers and 8mm ratchet wrench. So first thing you want to do is you want to pop this under part out, and if it's never been pulled off, it's really hard, so you gotta make sure you pry all the way around. It's in there pretty good. So this one, pull that off, undo the cigarette lighter, put it to the side, and underneath here there's a metal brace with 2 8mm. So you take the 8mm off, and that one as well, and then you grab your pry tools, you pry all the way around, and that pops this whole piece out. This video has been brought to you by Leon's Laundromat. Your stains pay our bills.
Oh yeah. In the car with my day ones, then my dogs, yeah, then my